Hello YouTubers, Chicago PR Prepper here, and today we are going to do a dual review on budget prepping for multi-tools. The first one, right here, Ozark Trail, I got it at Walmart for $9.95. The second one, Geisman Catalyst, I got it at Menards at $7.99. So it's on sale right now. So visually, I'm going to give it to the Geisman. Ergonomically, give it to the Geisman. I'm going to open it. You hear that? That's that cheap spring right up here making all that noise. Looks like it's about ready to pop out. You don't hear that spring here. So I'm gonna give it to the Catalyst. The size of the head of the plier, I'm gonna give it to the Ozark. They both have wire cutters. They both have saws. Now, something I want to show you. Where is it at? There you go. That's their knife. Guess what? I'm going to give it to the Catalyst. Also, you see the handle for the knife? Give it to the Catalyst. The Catalyst. There you go. So it doesn't look too good for the Ozark. Let's go with the saw. Let's see, where's that saw at? There we go. The Catalyst saw is a little beefier. And you can see right here, it's easier to pull it out without getting cut. So, Catalyst gets another nice check. This has a seatbelt cutter, and let's see if they have something that looks like a seatbelt cutter. Nope, no seatbelt cutter. Catalyst. Save. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, it does have a seatbelt cutter, but see right there? Yeah, I'm still going to give it to the Catalyst. It's more of a bottle opener. It's got a file. This does not have a file. This is the catalyst bottle opener with the flathead screwdriver. Okay, I'm gonna give the Ozark Trail's got 2 saws. That's their bottle opener. That's the catalyst bottle opener. I'll give it to the catalyst because it's beefier. Let's see where the screwdriver. Phillips. Okay, they're Phillips. The Phillips on the catalyst is beefier, but the one at Ozark is longer. The Ozark has two Phillips and 2 flathead screwdrivers. The catalyst only has 1 each. The blade on this is a 8CR13 MOV. This one does not state what type of blade it is. So, and my overall review on a budget tool, as you can see, this $7.99 beat this $9.95 hands down. It's industrial. It's a working man's tool, an actual EDC tool. This, I wouldn't even use it for emergency purposes. I'm just gonna throw it in one of my tool bags that I don't ever use, rarely use, unless I lose something, and then I go to this bag and I get it. But this thing here was a waste of $9.95. This one here, I recommend it. Get it, and you will not regret it. I hope you found this information useful. Chicago PR Prepper. Until next time.